In number systems, first, in few classes, we have covered basics. In basics, why is the number system is very, very important, and why is it important, and how many marks, and what is the priority of the chapter in the exams, banking sector or staff selection commission or SI constable or any other competitive exams. And later, after the basics, what we have covered is few problems related to number systems and models. The models are covered like what exactly a number, what exactly a digit, what exactly a divisibility rules. After divisibility rules, we covered LCM, HCF, and in moderate basics, we even covered the remainder theorem, the powers, unit digits, and what will come in the unit digit, and the number of zeros. So all those problems. And apart from that, I have given assignments to you. Assignments plays a crucial role. This is very, very important, and the basics, very, very important. In the middle, the problems are bridge between your assignments and the basics. So in basics, in any topic, in any chapter, in any batch, you just came to know what exactly it is. Later, you will came to know, we will come to know how the problems should be solved. And later in assignments, most of the people who have come across with assignments, they just, what I observed is, you are just marking the first question, option A, second question, option B, third question, option C. So like that, if you do like that, at present it's okay. But in near future, if you want to reback or call back or recall all the things, what you have covered, what you have done, there will be a problem. The problem is how the answer came. At that time, you got an idea. At that time, you got the answer. But after 1 month, after 2 months, you will stuck somewhere. From which you cannot come back. When you can come back, if you write in the middle, what is the idea? What is the essence of it? How I got the idea? So the idea have to be noted down in your assignments, in your notebooks. That is mandatory. The procedure, if you are facing trouble to write down each and every step and all the problems, all the steps, no worries. You please write how you related to it, how you connected your answer, how you got an idea. So that is very precious, what I observed in the students. Apart from that, I observed even nobody is there to raise the doubt, because the doubts are very, very precious after solving your problems. So this session is just in brief about what happened, what will happen in future. The number systems, the basics, a few problems and advanced concepts and assignments. Assignments are very, very important. In that, make a note how you are getting the answers. That is very, very, very important. Okay. And the other key point here is you should raise your doubts. Raise your doubts in the assignment itself. Whatever the problems you have done, you please make a screenshot and submit to me. And the last page should be your doubts. Write your name. Later, and after that, write the question. So and so question. Then options and leave. That will be your doubt. So your name. Later question number 1 and options. This will be your doubt. Later question number 2. Again the options, and that will be your second doubt. So that whenever the doubt session will be done, in the doubt session, I will just tell your name, raise your name, and let you know the doubt. So that based on the doubts, I can understand what is your level of understanding in that subject. So I am not just doing a normal coaching here. I'm just doing a research on it. So I just don't want just question, answer. I need how you are thinking, how you are understanding levels in one question. So that's what I require. Apart from this, in your syllabus, each topic will be one batch, and each batch consists the basic level, the questions, and the last few problems and few assignments, later doubts. And at the end of each and every batch, there will be a graduation ceremony. That's what we are celebrating today, a graduation ceremony on number systems. So how you acted and reacted, we will just go through one by one?
The process is fine. Actually, we need more practice.
Okay.
And so whatever you suggested, the questions is fine.
Okay.
So I try to do the same, and there is no doubt in the process.
Okay.
And it's going good.
Okay.
Only we require more and more practice. And if you have any question bank something on this particular,
Yes.
that might help. About that, this question
Yes.
assignment, we have even more like question bank on that particular topic.
Yes,
We
yes.
can, after completing the assignment one, we can even work on it, and we can come back to it.
Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Good point. Point number one, require question bank. Okay. Yes. Yeah. From Gani, I just got question bank. Yes. Later, is there anything more you can add, Gani? You can add if you want to continue, or else I will.
No, that's
Okay, that's
no,
it.
that's fine.
Very good. Very good, Gani. Right. Anupama, Sadhik, Shivaram, Madhavi. Who wants?
Yes.
Yeah, you wants to speak now. Raise your hand. I will. Sadhik is ready. Good. Yeah.
So
Yes.
I understood what you are saying, the lessons
Yes.
completely, but question bank is also important. But
Yeah.
you have already gave to me some materials. It's enough to prepare.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So I think question bank is also most important to us, sir, because what type of questions you ask in
Yes.
bank exams, it's just
Yes.
an idea
Yeah. 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 Definitely.
to
Definitely.
get.
Yes. The same point I'm getting. Okay. Sadhik, now here is your turn. Anupama, you can talk now.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
Very good evening.
సార్ మామూలుగా మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ అసైన్మెంట్ లో ఇస్తున్నారు కదండి సార్.
Yes.
ఎస్ సార్, అది ఒక మామూలుగా ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఎలా అడుగుతారు, ఒక్కొక్క ఎగ్జామ్ కి ఒకలా అడుగుతారు కదా సార్, అంటే లో లెవెల్, మోడరేట్ లెవెల్, హై లెవెల్ అనేసి.
Yes. Yes.
అలా డివైడ్ చేసి ఇస్తే కొంచెం బాగుంటుందని అనుకున్నాను సార్.
So in the question bank, lower level, moderate level, higher level. That's what you require. Yes. Okay. Right. Next, other than that, is there anything you require to improve your skills? Yeah, I'll take a point, and
Nothing,
after everybody, I'll speak later at the end. I'll give the solutions to it. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Shivaram, we are able to hear you.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Sir, ఇప్పుడు అసైన్మెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తారు కదా సార్,
Yes. Yes. అవును.
అవి మేము సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం సార్. కానీ అంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు 50 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో 48 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్
Yes. Yes.
కానీ నేను సాల్వ్ చేసిన అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్కువ స్పీడ్ తో చేసి ఉండకపోవచ్చు. అంటే
Very good.
అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కి షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకుండకపోవచ్చు.
Good point. Good point.
అంటే నేను
సో షార్ట్ ఆర్ నార్మల్, అకాడమిక్ లో ట్రెడిషనల్ మెథడ్ లో ఎలా ఉందో ట్రెడిషనల్ మెథడ్. ఓకే. రైట్.
నేను ఇప్పుడు సాల్వ్ చేసిన మెథడ్ ట్రెడిషనల్ అయి ఉండొచ్చు, లేకుంటే నా ఐడియా వేరేలాగా వచ్చి ఉండొచ్చు సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్. వెరీ గుడ్. వెరీ గుడ్. వెరీ గుడ్.
సో నేను ఏమనుకుంటున్నానంటే మీ దగ్గర మెథడ్స్ ఆ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి ఆన్సర్స్ ఇంకా కొంచెం షార్ట్ మెథడ్స్ ఉంటాయి
Yes.
ఈ
Yes.
క్వశ్చన్. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను డౌట్ వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ రైజ్ చేసినప్పుడు నాకు ఆ క్వశ్చన్ కి మాత్రమే ఆన్సర్ తెలుస్తుంది, కానీ షార్ట్ గా మిగిలిన క్వశ్చన్స్ నాకు తెలియదు కదా.
వెరీ గుడ్. వెరీ గుడ్.
సో మీరు అప్పుడు వేరే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అంటే అసైన్మెంట్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఒకసారి షార్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేయాలని ఫాస్ట్ ఒకసారి చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతే అవి బెస్ట్ అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్. అంటే మేము నోట్ చేసుకుంటాం ఫాస్ట్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్స్ తెలియని ఏమైనా ఉంటాయి.
Got it. So short and traditional method. So in that, what you require is how effectively and how fast we can solve the question. That's what you require. Yes or no? So that we can,
Yes, sir.
all the people whoever are just waiting for your exams, just want to crack your exams, so that the first step is just improve your skills. To improve your skills, this might be a hurdle. So from the traditional approach, you should start a shortcut method. Yes or no? This is what our plan is, right? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Is there anything more you need to add
సార్
apart from that? Is there
నాకు ఇంకా ఏమన్నా
yes?
ఇంకేమన్నా అనిపిస్తే చెప్పండి తర్వాత. ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్ ఇఫ్.
Okay, no problem. Take your time, right? Okay, wait. Can talk.
evening.
Madhavi.
Am I audible to you, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
యాక్చువల్లీ శివరామ్ ఏదైతే ఫీల్ అయ్యాడో ఐ టు ఫెల్ ద సేమ్ సార్.
Okay,
సో
good.
క్వశ్చన్స్ కి అన్నిటికీ ఆన్సర్స్ కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా చెప్తే బాగుండా అనుకుంటున్నాం సార్.
Very good.
ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్క మెథడ్ ఉంటుంది, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ అయినట్టు రాంగ్ అయినచ్చు సార్, మాకు డౌట్ లేనిది.
Yes. I got
సో
you. Yes.
ఎస్ సార్.
No,
So,
apart,
మీరు gonna-
apart from that,
Yes.
can you add more? Apart from that, so see, everybody, question bank is clear. Low level, moderate level, high level, clear. Short and traditional approach, very clear. Apart from this, if there is a new suggestion or new point what you require, just let me know. I'll start discussing about it. Okay, I'm just waiting for you.
ప్రెసెంట్ వరకు అయితే నాకు ఇది తప్ప ఇంకేమీ లేదు సార్.
Okay.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఆల్ రైట్ సార్.
Okay, good.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
And Most welcome, Amma. Inka next, Johar. I think Johar is facing trouble. And I think Johar is facing trouble. Okay, we will continue now. And I'll tell you solution to one by one. Okay, first is Gani told that we require question bank. Yes, without a question bank, you just don't know what you are doing properly. I'll give assignments just to know the concepts and relate to the competitive exams, how you should work on it. So just to know your skills, I'm just giving assignments so as to know how you are doing, right? Question bank is required. Later, the lower level, moderate level, the high level. For this, what we are doing is the lower level questions we are covering in the basics itself. Basics in the sense, while the lower level questions are okay, right? And the later, when coming to the moderate level questions, what I am discussing in the problems section, not in the basics section. I am discussing in the problems section. Okay. Later, the higher level, lower level, moderate level, high level, all the questions I am giving it as an assignment to you, right? So if you solve all the problems and make a note of it without just answering it, if you write in the middle the idea, so that even I can guess your thought by just watching your assignment. Yes or no? Are you with me? Have you understood what I am telling? Yes or no? Right. Okay. Very good. Okay. Right. And apart from this, assignments, short method and traditional method. This is very, very, very important. Definitely, I will look into it. What I will do is, after the sessions, after the basics, after the problems, after your doubts, still I will share few problems where I will do a speed calculation and speed mathematics for those type of questions. So that if I start doing from the beginning itself, that will be a tough job for you to catch. Because in the basics time, you should understand what exactly the concept is. So discussing about the concept, just discuss so that it has to be understandable. At the time of questions, okay, my speed will be a little higher. But after the session, now it's number systems already finished, right? So we will solve now few more problems on fast track. Definitely we will do the same. Definitely we will do. So this will be done again and again so that you can understand how fast we can calculate. Yes or no? Are you with me? Right? If you are with me, just raise your hands. Just raise your hands. We are providing the live classes in our app. Yes or no? That is Mr. Hafiz e-learning app. Only to consider the question banks and full-length exams, what I am going to provide you is another app which consists only test series. Only test series. The test series consists your full-length exam as well as each and every topic questions. Most of the questions what I am discussing in the class are from the previous questions only, so that you can taste the present competitive quality. So for the test series, what I told is a different app. And at present, what we are using is Mr. Hafiz e-learning app, where you will learn things. Test series, where you will practice. That is digitally. The other, the hard copy. The hard books. Okay. The books, paperback books. So the paperback books, 50 questions from each and every topic, approximately. In few chapters, that is more, and in few chapters, that is a little lesser. Okay. So we are providing those books, right? And apart from that, the app where you can attempt the exam as if it is a real-time live exam. And coming to the short and the traditional approach, I will discuss after the all entire sessions. This is what we will do, and we will start implementing from now onwards. Okay, we don't wait for the long period. We will start from now onwards. So very soon, for the number systems, I will give an exam, and after that, I'll start answering all the questions at a time, one by one, so that you can understand how fast we can solve. But at the time of explanation, at the time of solving the questions, you please hold your emotions just to listen how I am doing. Rather, to understanding. That session will be not to understand, just to see how I am doing. After that, again, you can repeat the same again and again. If you are unable to understand and there is somebody who can understand very faster, there will be no problem. The gap will be rectified if you watch the same video, that first video, okay, first video, twice, thrice. You can understand it very easily. No problem, no issues. Okay, think till now what we had discussed, what we faced the problem. So these are the solutions, and we will start from now onwards only. And apart from that, I just want to share few more. Sadik, Anupama, and Shivaram. Number systems. So in graduation ceremony, we are just celebrating, and here leaderboard position number 1, Sadik. Just congratulate him by just unmute it and say congratulations to Sadik. Unmute it, and everybody unmute it. Congratulations to Sadik.
Congratulations, Sadik Anna.
Hey,
Congratulations, Sadik.
superb, superb, very good, very good. Now, next, Anupama. Yes,
Congratulations, Anupama.
Congratulations, Anupama.
very good, very good. Come on.
Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations, Anupama.
Very good, very good, very good. And next, Shivaram. Congratulations to Shivaram. Very good. So again, come on.
Congratulations to Shivaram.
Congratulations, Shivaram Anna.
Oh,
Congratulations, Shivaram.
great, great, great. Very good. Congratulations to all the 3. So your consistency definitely leads you to your goal, and it will make you to stand to reach a dream job. Definitely it will be. Right? So I'm just winding up now. Is that clear? I'm going to end the session.
Okay.
Bye-bye.